add credits. So here, if there's a down payment assistance, okay, now based on the information that you have so far provided, you do not qualify for down payment assistance, but that may be incorrect. You need to speak with a licensed person who can tell you. But since this is just a calculator, it is looking at it and it's just saying that you are not getting down payment assistance. If you're buying home, usually you deposit 1% as cash deposit, which is called earnest money deposit. If seller is paying you some money, for example, seller is paying you, $15,000, then you can put as well. If someone else in the transaction paying you some money, you can put it here. If you're getting two loans, primary loan and a second loan, you can put the second loan transaction. For example, I'm not looking for a second one, right? So I just save and close. So we just completed step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. Now we are on the step 6. This step 6 makes this calculator unique. This calculator uses live interest rates. What does it mean? If I click on this, it's going to go fetch rates and tell me what the interest rate I'm going to get. So based on the information that I sent, I can get a 30-day lock on a 6% interest rate, and it's going to cost me about 1.2 points. Now, I don't want to pay points. Okay, if I don't want to pay points, I'll just go choose something that's charging minimum. So if I choose the interest rate of 6.375, I'm going to get a discount of, minus 245. I'll receive that money. So let me choose that way. And these are live rates based on the scenario that I selected. And once I click on the select rates, you see it automatically calculated my monthly payment. So my monthly payment is $5,218. Let's go back. The rate that we got is based on step 1, the information that I provided here. I can run multiple scenarios, but this is the scenario, this is the data that I use to calculate my numbers. So now after selecting the rate, I managed to get my monthly payment. It's telling me my monthly payment is composed of principal and interest of $39.33, property tax of $9.22, homeowner insurance, which is also called HOI, of $200, and a mortgage insurance of $162. Oh, what is mortgage insurance? Mortgage insurance, if I do not put a 20% down, then I have to pay this. Okay. Now it is telling me what is my interest rate, which is 6.375. It's also telling me what is my APR, which is 6.424. So we managed to provide basic information about myself. If I need to add a co-borrower, I added the property info, then I select the loan program, then I add the credits, then I selected the rate, and I was able to see my monthly payment. But what about cash to close? So I click on cash to close, and now it is showing me my estimated cash to close on the closing date. Okay, let me see. Altogether, it is showing me that we have put $6,500 towards earnest money deposit. We have a closing cost contribution of $15,000. So total $21,000 credits were applied. Okay. And it is also showing me something right there in green. It is telling me that, yes, you qualify for this scenario, which means I can buy this home. Yes, you qualify for this scenario.